Hi boys and girls, Mr. Haynes here. Today I'm going to be introducing you to a strategy called adding up in chunks. And this is a strategy when you're adding two numbers together, and you should start to understand it in grade 3 and be really good at it by grade 4 and 5. Okay, so basically when you are using this strategy, you're adding up by tens. Okay, so before you use this strategy, you need to be really good at adding up with multiples of 10. All right, so let's look at an example. So let's do 37 plus 28 as an example. Okay, so to do the strategy, you'd be breaking up one of the numbers into its chunks. Okay, so let's break up the 28 into 20 and 8. Okay, and then we add these up chunk by chunk. Okay, so let's first do 37 plus 20 equals 57. Okay, then we're going to do 57 plus 8. Okay, so I do 7 plus 8 is 15. So then I would go 50 plus 15 equals 65. Okay, see how that works? So when you're doing this, you're using a few different strategies here, okay? But the main one is that you're breaking one of the numbers apart into easy chunks that are easier to add up. But it's important to keep all your work organized. Let's do another one, a little bit of a bigger number. Let's do 324. 24 plus 189. Okay, 324 plus 189. So let's break the 189 into chunks. Okay, so let's break it into 180 and 9. And then we're going to add those up chunk by chunk. So first one I'm going to do is the 100. So 324 plus 100 equals 424. Okay, then I have to add the 80. Okay, so 424 plus 80. Now I know that 2 plus 8 is 10, right? So it'll be 100. And so we'll add that up with the 400, and it will be 504. All right, and then last I'm going to add the 9. 504 plus 9. And 9 plus 4 equals 13, so it will equal 513. And there you have it, adding up in chunks. And remember, this is just one of many strategies, and it might work for you, it might not. Okay, but it's important that you understand all the strategies so you can choose which one works best for you. Thank you very much for listening.